G'day again. So today we're going to do a little bit more on trigonometry. So this time we're going to find values of theta between 0 and 360 degrees. Now you can pretty easily do most of it on your calculator, but this diagram is very helpful for speeding you up in a test. So they're all positive, sine is positive, tan is positive, and cos is positive. Easy way to remember it is all stations to central. So what it means is here tan and cos are negative, so sine is positive, tan is positive and sine and cos are negative, cos is positive and tan and sine are negative, and in that first quadrant they're all positive. So let's do a few and you'll see what I mean. So let's make up sine theta equals 0.5, and the question says find values of theta with this condition of sine theta equals 0.5. So the quickest way to start is to grab your calculator and go shift sine 0.5 equals, and that will give you a value of 30 degrees. Now what this value is, it happens to be one of the values, but the most important thing is finding out what this is, this sine. Okay, bit of a pun there, but this sign, whether it's positive or negative. So this is a positive value, so you're going to look for two positive values between 0 and 360. And the way I do it is I just call this little butterfly, and it doesn't really matter what angle you draw this at. You just draw a cross through there, and whatever angle you are given in the question, so whatever angle you're given there, you just write it there, 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 and there. Okay, write it 4 times. So you do this, you press this on your calculator and it'll give you some number. So in this case it's 30. So don't worry about whether it's positive or negative when you draw it, just write 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay? Now you know this is positive, and that's the most important thing. You know it's positive, so now you can look on your diagram and go, where is sine positive? So sine is positive here, so that's 30 degrees, and sine is positive here. So the second answer we want, that's our first answer. The second answer we want starts from there again and goes to there. So we want 30, and we also want this angle here, from here. So that is 180 take 30 is 150. So our answer for this is theta equals 30 and 150. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's suppose that sine is negative. So we get a question. Sine theta equals negative, and I'll just make up a different one, root 3 on 2. So again, shift sine on your calculator of this, and you end up with theta equals, what have we got, 60 minus 60, that's right. It's minus 60 degrees. So you draw, you quickly, again, if you're in a test, you're quickly drawing your diagram, cross, cross, and you're writing 60, 60, 60, 60, ASTC, and you're looking for the two places where sine is negative. Well, it's not negative there because we know it's all positive. It's not negative there, but it's negative here and here. Right? So we'll draw it on the big diagram. So we'll get rid of that. What about these numbers, because they're not the ones we want this time. But we'll leave our cross there. And this time we're going to put in 60s. So we're going to 60, 60, 60, 60. And we want negative. We want places where sine is negative. Again, we're going to start from 0. We always start from 0. And we're going to go negative. So we want to go round to there. That's our first answer because sine is negative down here. So 180 plus 60 is 240. So theta equals 240. Or, there's always two answers, start from here and keep going. So we'll do our second one on top. So there's our second circle. And it's going to go all the way around to there. And that's our second answer because sine is negative over here. So 360, take away 60, and our second answer is 300. Okay? We'll do more in a sec. G'day again. So this time we're going to do tan. First time we did sine, so let's do some tan. Same diagram, same thing. So let's say you get a question, finding values, 0, theta, 360, tan theta equals 1. Grab your calculator, shift tan 1, and you get theta will equal 45 degrees. So that happens to be one of them, but that's the number you're putting in. So let's go for 45. It doesn't matter, your drawing doesn't matter. Your drawing's just a help. It doesn't matter about the accuracy of your drawing. 45 degrees. We want this positive because there's a positive sign there. It's not a negative. So where is tan positive? That's what we're looking for, tan positive. Well, we know that's one of them. Okay. Helps that it's on your calculator in this case. So tan 45, that's one of your answers. No. Yes, we want, this is our second answer. Around there. 180 plus 45 is 225. So then theta equals 45, 225. And you're done. Let's look at another one. So tan theta equals, and what's another question? Root 3. No, minus root 3. Let's go minus root 3. There we go. Tan theta equals minus positive or negative. Shift tan on your calculator and you go theta equals minus 60. And you go, hang on a second. That can't be right because it's not between 0 and 360. But it doesn't matter. The key is to separate these two. You want a negative answer and the value you want to put on your diagram is 60. So I'm going to rub this out. About our 45s. And there we go, and we're going to put in 60. So 60, 60, 60, 60. Now we've got our 60s in. This is important now. Negative. We want negative tan. Where is tan negative? Well, definitely not there because they're all positive. Must be one here. So what's this value? Over here, that's our first value. 180 take away 60. Well, that is 120. So our actual answer for theta is 120. Okay, that's a calculator value, that's not your answer. So we'll star our answers. So 120, and where is tan negative again? So no, it's definitely positive there. Negative down here. So let's draw our other circle all the way around to there. And what's that value? 360, take away 60 is 300. So there's our answer, 300. And you're done. G'day again, so back for part 3, and this time we're going to do cos. We've done sine and tan, so let's go again. Cos theta equals 0.5. What do? Grab the calculator, shift cos 0.5, and we get theta equals 60 degrees, yep. And we know that's going to be one of the answers. This is positive, that's definitely going to be one of the answers because it's in between 0 and 360, so 60, and that's our number we put in our diagram. So let's go back here to 60, 60, 60, 60. We want cos to be positive, so where is cos positive? Cos is positive here, which we already know because that's on our calculator, that's great. Where is it also positive? No, no, yes. So we've got to go all the way around again. So we're going to go all the way around to here. And cos is positive over there, 360 take away 60, and it's 300 degrees again. Okay, let's do another one. So we'll make cos negative, so cos theta equals, what have we got, negative, oh, just make a negative 0.5, won't we? Negative 0.5, punch that on your calculator. So if you actually punch that on your calculator, it's quite helpful. In this case, it comes up with 120, so it tells you the first number. So if we look at our diagram, we don't have to change it much. We want cos to be negative. So where is cos negative? Well, cos is negative, obviously, where it's not positive. It's going to be over here, isn't it? So this line is not going to go to there. It's only going to go to there. And this line is not going to go to there. This line is going to go to here. Whoa. There we go. So we've got this one from here to here, which is 180 take away 60, so that's 120. So there's our 120, tick. And it's going to go from here over to here. So 180 plus 60 is 240. And you're done.